On the topic of teamwork, I'm going to discuss eye contact. You know, we all strive for eye contact from our dogs, that they're looking at us, and they need to do that in order to respond to our cues. If they're looking at something else, they're going to be ignoring our cues, right? So we want the dog locked in on us to respond to the path, to our body cues, and to the routine itself. So one of the things we have to give back in return is that same eye contact. It's interactive attention. It's not a one-way street. That's a robot. We want interactive back and forth attention, which means that you need to keep your eyes on your dog. Now there's a couple reasons for this. One is you've seen me do it in workshops all across the country. Your audience is going to look at whatever you're looking at. As a dancer, I know I can command your attention to whatever I want it to be on, whether I want it to be on this arm or this arm. Either one, I can bring your attention to the line that I want. Okay? We do the same thing, whether it's conformation or freestyle. If you want that judge looking at your dog, you're not going to be looking like this somewhere else. You're going to look at your dog as you're going around the ring or doing it down and back. Okay? So keep your focus on your dog. From the minute that you step in the ring, do not break that eye contact. Even if you have to start to tell the music person to start your music, you maintain eye contact with your dog and you just nod, and that means yes, start the music. You don't do, yes, start the music. You've broken all that contact, that eye contact. Keep the eye contact. Another way I explain this is that say you're out on the floor dancing with a partner. If that partner is looking at everything but you, well, personally, I'd walk off the floor on them. I wouldn't sing and dance with them. If someone's going to dance with me, I expect their attention. And I think our dogs feel so much more important when we look at them. So take a look here at the difference of feel between moving, not looking at your dog, and then making your dog feel like they are the most important thing in the world as they're moving with you.